Introduction. Picking a code editor.
Choosing the right code editor impacts your workflow and productivity. Visual Studio Code and Sublime Text are two leading options for developers worldwide. In this video, we'll break down their main features, strengths, and best uses, so you can decide which editor fits your needs best.
Core features compared.
Visual Studio Code offers a rich, built-in experience, including Git integration, an extensions marketplace, and a powerful debugger. Sublime Text is known for its lightning-fast performance, distraction-free interface, and advanced search tools. Both offer syntax highlighting, multiple cursors, and cross-platform support, but their approaches and feature depths differ.
Customization and extensions.
VS Code stands out for its extensive extension ecosystem. You can add languages, themes, debuggers, and more with just a few clicks. Sublime Text also supports customization through packages and user settings, but requires more manual setup. If you prioritize a highly tailored environment, VS Code makes it easier out of the box.
Performance and resource use.
Sublime Text is praised for speed and low memory usage, even with large files. It's a great fit for older machines or huge projects. VS Code, built on Electron, uses more system resources but brings advanced features and integrations. For lightweight editing, Sublime wins. For a full-featured IDE experience, VS Code is the leader.
Pricing and open source factors.
Sublime Text requires a paid license after evaluation, while Visual Studio Code is free. VS Code is open source, inviting community contributions. Sublime's model supports ongoing development, but may influence your decision if cost is a concern. Consider your budget and need for support when making your choice.
Ideal use cases and final thoughts.
VS Code is ideal for developers who want deep integration, extensions, and support from many languages. Sublime Text shines for those valuing speed, simplicity, and minimalism. Both are excellent code editors. Your right choice depends on your workflow, project needs, and personal preference. Try both to see which feels best for you.